Hello YouTube. Today I'm unboxing Harman Kardon. So before you do that, intro first. So we're now back. This is the most reliable speaker that I bought because it's very loud, better than JBL speaker. And JBL speaker has a connection with Harman Kardon. So basically, the speaker of JBL is made from Harman Kardon. Okay, just different names. So here, I just bought this for 5,000 yen, and it cost me like 2,600 pesos, like that, around that, because it changed. Yen is in peso is like 47 to 45, like that, so it changes. So I don't know how the exact price, but it's cheap. In Philippines, this is 9,999 pesos or 14,000 pesos. They have 14,000 pesos of this. And in Japanese, it's like Kyoyaku, Kyusen, Kyuju, Kyendes peso. Hindi sa yen. So, okay. So, let's do this. Let's open the papaya. So, nabuksan ko na siya actually. Sa lahat ng mga nag-unbox pag hindi nyo po binuksan muna, hindi nyo muna alam yung laman. Siyempre, nabuksan mo na. Kaya huwag kayo mag-expect na hindi ko pa ito nabubuksan. Kunwari lang na hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Pero bukas na, nabuksan ko na talaga siya. So, let's go. So, I already know what's inside of the box. So, I'm just gonna explain to you what it feels like when you open the box. So, when you open the box is there. Like that. And it has a handle like this. It has a handle like this, so when you bought this, you have to get it like that. You know what I mean? Okay, so in the box, as you can see, there's a Bluetooth and phone and then star. What is the meaning of the star? Oh, and then the battery is 5 hours of usage. And that's it. So, we open it. May lagayan siya ng itlog. Lagyan mo siya ng tatlong itlog dito. Okay na yan. So, ito siya. Okay. Ito na, sa loob is yung cord niya. The charging, this one, it's like 220 volts. Yeah, I think 220. It's okay in the Philippines. Here's the adapter. To those people who don't know how to use this one, it's like you're just going to plug it. Okay, just plug it like this. And then you put this in your neck, and then you connect this to your speaker, and then it's gonna work. So step aside, my friend. Tony's dead. Okay, so here we go. Okay, look at the quality. Look how it looks like. It's like genuine. It's like a genuine kind of speaker that when you bought this, when you bring this to the other places, people, oh, what the fuck, what a very nice speaker you have there, buddy. Like that. Pero, solid siya, promise. Mukha talaga siyang, pangalan pa lang is, nakakamangha na. So, it's printed here, isang Harman Kardon speaker. And then, in the back, it has here, I think this is the bass that boosts like that when you play the music. So here is the plug. Here where you plug the cord. This one, this is where you plug it. Okay, here, right here. You put this male in this female area. Okay. Some people trying to put here in the USB side, but it's okay. So this USB side is for charging the battery, because this is also a wireless speaker. Like you can put this inside of your car, or you can try to make a hole in your Mio Soul, then put this in the front. Okay, you get the speaker, buddy. So here, and on the side, you can see the power on button, and this is the volume button, and then this the minus button, plus minus, like plus and minus, like that. So this is the Bluetooth. If it's already connected to a different phone. You just have to double press it long or press it long press, so it will change a different phone like that. So okay, let's play it and let's see what this thing can do. I already know what it can do. I'm just showing it to you. So this power up button, power on button, on and off. You just have to press it for 3 seconds. Okay, so it's on when you hear that sound, and then oh crap, it's connected already. Like that. So when you open it, the Bluetooth notification will blink like this. Come on, man, blink. Okay, it's blinking. It's blinking. Yeah, I know it's blinking. And when it's blinking, oh, that one wasn't mine. It's from my friend. He bought it for his brother. So yeah, you know. So okay. So when you're going to connect it to your phone, you got the open your Bluetooth on your any devices like iPhones or Android. Huawei is dying, you know what I mean. Huawei that's dying. So here you can see you open your Bluetooth. Hold on. It's automatic. Okay. And then you're gonna search for HK Onyx Studio. This is what written on it. Come on, man. Show it. Autofocus it. Come on, come on. Like that. If you can, I can show it to you. Show. Okay, just gonna show you that there's a HK Onyx Studio on it. So when you open that, you just go into connect it. This. There, it's connected. Okay. So you can play any music if you want already. I got Loopy and I got Zorro. Okay, let's see what this music can do. You hear that? That's the bass that I'm talking about. Ang problema kasi hindi ko masagad yung sounds kasi kapitbahay magalit. Kasi dito sa Japan, bawal kang mag-ingay kasi may police. Mahuli ka. So, I can just loud it for a few seconds and then turn it down. Okay, I'm just gonna search for a song. A very nice song, you know. Ito yung likod niya na nagbe-bass. Lupit ito. So that's it. So I just showed you the Harman Kardon Onyx from Pokemon. Onyx can become Steelix like that. So it's not a strong one, a good one. So I recommend this buying in the Philippines, in Lazada. It's like 9,999 pesos plus charge 150 pesos. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe for my channel. I'm gonna unbox more videos this coming week because my Yasumi or rest day is only in Sunday only, so I can upload videos on Sundays only. So thank you for watching. Goodbye, my friend. There's another tidal wave coming from the east. Goodbye, my friend. I have found the Dragon Ball. Goku need this one, so I'm gonna keep it for a while.